We've gone from this to this, showing you guys every single iPhone we have lying around in my house. So this goes back from a long time. Not to forget the phone that I am currently using, which is the iPhone 14 Pro. Who remembers these little iPods that just play music? I'm not even joking. I really miss these. When are these gonna become like vintage? And then we've got the newer iPod, which doesn't have a camera. Isn't that so interesting? Like, they've just blacked it out. My dad clearly loves to put Sugru on all the corners just in case we ever dropped it. Now we're going on to the iPhone 4. I loved this phone. This was like the first phone I ever got, passed down through a family friend. I think this one was mine and this one was my mum's. So we're moving on to the iPhone 6. I actually bought this phone myself when I was really young. It's got one of those touchscreen buttons, which I was obsessed with at the time. And this is the iPhone 7 Plus. All of the phones that I did buy were secondhand because I couldn't afford them brand new. Put it into comparison, look at the difference in size. I was obsessed with how big this one was. And we have the XS Max. I love the fact that it was Face ID. Such a cool invention. Oh my gosh. And then the iPhone 13. This was the worst purchase of my life. It lasted only 6 months. They didn't tell me that there was internal damage. So yeah, I could have sued, but then silly me didn't really think of enforcing it. So I just continued using it, thinking that it would be fine. Then eventually the whole thing just shut down. And we have the iPhone 14 Pro, which is what I'm filming on right now. It's by far the best phone I've had. I bought it firsthand, which I've never done before. The camera quality on this phone is just insane. Do you know what's really frustrating me right now is I had the iPhone 3 and I can't find it. Anyway, interesting video. I just kind of wanted to make it for myself so I could see the differences. But yeah.